can call me Mr. Jan. The journey of content creators to continue producing valuable contents is really volatile, and familiarity, ambiguous terms, and fallacies that might end your whole effort in vain. Unstable finances, unsecured and unanticipated downfall, or just might be also a big opportunity that either help me match or take down my whole aspirations. I'm presently working as a senior high school public teacher, teaching mathematics, statistics, information and communication technology. To be certain, I am I am teaching for around 17 years then. Given with the inadequate enumeration on this here in the Philippines, I talk part-time time. I from time to time. Um, Given the inadequate enumeration on this, mm, uh, given the given the inadequate enumeration on this, I from time to time I took part-time jobs online. Let's say a graphic designer, a video editor, copywriter, social media manager, or any related task related to virtual assistant. That was more or less 3 years. About eligibility, I am a career service professional and a professional licensed professional teacher, secondary major in mathematics. That was given in the Professional Regulatory Commission here in the Philippines. To highlight my undergraduate studies, I was at the UST Department of Science and Technology Science Education Institute scholar and graduated with honors. I would be glad if you could see my curriculum vitae and portfolio as attached together in this video. Okay, thank you for watching this.